Are you trying to create a long audio file like 30, 60 minutes or more from shorter music clips? In this video, I'll show you how you can easily create long audio tracks with both audio and video editors, so keep watching. So, here's what I'm trying to do. Say I want to create an hour-long background music soundtrack to use in a guided meditation recording or as a soundtrack for a YouTube relaxation video, for example. The technique that we'll be using here is called crossfade, and it's super easy and quick to learn. With this technique, you can seamlessly join 2 or more music files and extend it for as long as you'd like. 1 hour, 2, 10, it's completely up to you. It works great for ambient music, but of course you can use it for any music genre. First, I'll go to my TunePocket account and download a nice meditation track. If you haven't heard about TunePocket, they have a great collection of music, including of course meditation music that you can use commercially. So this track is great, but it's only 10 minutes long and I need it to run for, say, 30 minutes. First, let's load the audio track into Audacity, which is a free audio editing program. And what we'll do is load it once more in a new lane and then add a crossfade. Let's listen. Since this is an ambient music track, the crossfade is barely noticeable and it's very usable just like this. If you had a track with more of a clear tempo or beat to it, the only difference is making sure that you line up the tempo to flow in time between the two tracks before adding a crossfade. And maybe pay attention that the crossfade is not too long, so that way the tracks on top of each other don't sound too jumbled and mixed up. Now, if you're editing videos, you can either import the longer track that we just made in Audacity, or you can do the same process right in your video editor. Virtually all video editors have some sort of crossfade capabilities. It's a basic transition. In this video, I'll use Final Cut, but you can do the same in any video editor, all the way from Filmora, which is free, up to something like DaVinci or Adobe Premiere, which is used by a lot of pros. So there we are. Like I said, with ambient music it's very simple in most cases, but give it a try with any music you like. The basic principles are the same, just play with how you line up that overlap in the tracks so that way the transition is less noticeable. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you for watching.